roof was originally the post office and general store in the late 1800s, early 1900s. Ruby Moore was the original Post Mistress here, hence the name. Since then it's become a restaurant, keeping it seasonal. We do a 5 or 7 course tasting menu, so it does give us the opportunity to change menus very frequently. Then we started doing weddings. We can host 120 for a sit-down event or 150 for cocktail style. Opening hours for the restaurant are Friday and Saturday night, Sunday lunch. Booking's definitely required. We generally can do around about 50 in the restaurant for a dinner, and then we utilise our private dining rooms as well. So if you are looking for a little romantic night out, then request a little private dining room and we'll get a fireplace on for you if it's that time of year.